Welcome to Cooking with Chanelle. I'm Chanelle, let's get cooking. Join me as we make this delicious recipe, and we're gonna talk all about the nutrients that are going to benefit your body and mind. Instead of doing a step-by-step, we're gonna talk about all of the body benefits of this recipe, but for more in-depth information, head over to Singular's blog. I will be talking about the benefits of omegas both in fish and in our advanced omegas. We are making the seared tuna salad, which is 8-day Jumpstart approved. Don't worry, the name makes the recipe seem much more intimidating than it really is. I promise it's super simple and super delicious. Tuna is rich in manganese, zinc, vitamin C, and selenium, which is great for your immune system, but also great for your skin. So even if you're taking advanced omega daily, it's great just to get in fish maybe once, twice a week to get all of the other nutrients in the fish. Omega fatty acids are also known as essential fatty acids. We use the word essential because they're not made in the body, so it is essential that we get them from our diets. Omega-3s are great for your brain, for your heart, for your joints, and they're also great for your skin. Make sure to visit the blog for the full recipe, make it yourself, and don't forget to tag us. Until next time, stay delicious.